Hello people, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? It's your girl Mimi. I'm gonna be showing you this homemade face mask I do like once every month. So all the ingredients can be found on your kitchen counters or shelves. Basically it's all natural. So you know some people are born with like this natural perfect skin. For some of us though, we have to work extra to get the skin glowing. So guys, please enjoy this video, share, like, subscribe. I love you guys so much. My first ingredient is the Indian healing clay. Healing clays have been used for generations to help exfoliate the skin, remove dead skin cells, and cleanse the pores. So guys, if you're interested in this product, I'm gonna be writing out the details in the description box. My next ingredient is egg white. Egg white contains good protein to help repair damaged skin cells and rejuvenate the skin. Guys, be careful in order to get just the egg whites and not the yolk. Next, I'm going to be adding lemons. You simply cut it in half and suck out the juice as much as you can. So this is going to help illuminate the skin, make it lighter, tone it, make it brighter, however it is you choose to describe it. So it has like toning agents, it has natural toning agents. And next is the apple cider vinegar. So for most beauty health things, you can hardly do without apple cider vinegar, but just remember to shake the bottle so that you are getting the mother as well. So guys, about a teaspoonful should be enough, but I like to make do with the cap. So guys, my next ingredient is avocado. So it is no hidden fact that the avocado is a great medicine for your skin. It has like all the good vitamins in it. Vitamin A, D, vitamin E. It's got biotin. It helps to nourish and restore moisture. It has antioxidants. So guys, I just use half of it. I can just get enough of avocado. I use avocado for like everything, my skin, my hair. I consume it in moderation, of course. So my next ingredient is the tomato. I'm going to try to sip out the juice as much as I can. So the tomato is also good for your skin. It helps to get rid of melasma, of harsh lines, of sunburns, you know, things like that. Next is the yogurt. So I love this brand of yogurt. I already mentioned it in one of my videos, one of the weight loss videos, when I talked about its content of protein. It has about 20 grams of protein. Like, damn, that is so good for you. So I'm going to add in about a spoonful of yogurt. So this is going to help smoothing my skin. So my skin is feeling like a baby skin. Yeah. So guys, this next step is totally optional. So I like to add like a spoonful of sugar in order to give it like a rough feel, so that I can use it as a face scrub. So if you just want to apply it as a mask, then you might just like ditch this particular step. So but I like to use it as a scrub, so I like exfoliate dead skin cells. So that is what the sugar is meant for. So now I add in just like a drop of olive oil or whatever oil of your choice, you know. So I add in a drop of olive oil. So because one thing about face masks and scrubs and all that is that it like after it exfoliates and gets rid of dead skin cells, it also takes out a lot of moisture in the process. So now I'm trying to create a balance. So that is the reason for the oil and the avocado, so that even though it's like getting rid of dead skin cells and taking out all the excess oil in my skin, I'm able to like create a balance, so my skin is not left completely dry at the end of the day. So it still has like some moisture left. So now using a whisker, I simply mash and mash, squash, whatever, until I have a smooth paste. So that's the texture. So I'm trying to achieve a smooth paste. So here's what it looks like at the end of the day. So now I'm going to wash my face with hot water. This is an important step to open up the pores so that the nutrients from the mask can penetrate. So using my fingertips, I simply apply on my face, and then I use the same fingers to like massage and scrub at the same time. So I like massage in circular motions all around my face. So after applying, I simply wait for it to dry. I wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to dry. So guys, try not to exceed 30 minutes. If not, it's going to get so dry, and then it's going to take out even more moisture off your skin. So guys, you can as well use a cotton wool for the application, but it's not going to help you massage into the skin or scrub. So guys, here's what it looks like 30 minutes later. It's all dried up on my skin. So now it's time to rinse out. You simply rinse out with lukewarm water. Note, without soap. So just rinse out with water, and the water temperature is quite important. So lukewarm water is just going to allow your pores to remain as they are. So you rinse out. If you use cold water, it's going to close up your pores. So you don't want to close up your pores just yet, because you're still going to need to apply some moisturizer. So guys, the next step will be to pat dry with a towel. So the skin is all clean now. Just pat dry with your towel, and that's it. So guys, the next step will be to moisturize. This is a very important step, because every time you wash your face, even with soap, you exfoliate, you do the face mask, whatever it is, you need to moisturize, because your face is going to produce excess oil. If you do not moisturize, it's going to produce excess oil because it is dry. So it's going to want to correct that on its own. So I'm going to be listing out the details of my moisturizer down below. So it is an oil-free moisturizer because I have an oily skin. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Watch out for more, guys. Bye bye.